What is up guys, it is Mr. Fantastic here. So Samsung just launched its S21 series and almost all the leaks were true. I absolutely love these new devices, especially their design. But there are some things that Samsung didn't mention at the launch or didn't fully explain. So in this video I will explain them. I will focus mainly on S21 Ultra in this video because that is the main phone. And make sure you watch this video till the end. There are some things that might surprise you. Unfortunately, I didn't have chance to get my hands on it, nor did Samsung send me one because why would they? I have like 400 subs, so smash that subscriber, and most of you guys run away without subscribing, which is not cool, so subscribe. Number 1, the screen size is actually smaller. Now some of you guys may actually not know this, but the screen size of S21 Ultra is less than S20 Ultra. S21 Ultra's screen size is 6.8 inches while S20 Ultra screen size was 6.9 inches, and it is also a tad bit smaller in size too, but it is not noticeable unless you put them both side by side. Both of them are very similar. Number 2, the camera module is chunky. So last year when Samsung launched the S20 Ultra, everyone went nuts after seeing how huge its camera module was. With Note 20 Ultra, it was even more thicker, and with S21 Ultra, Samsung went even a step further, and its top half is like all camera module thanks to its humongous 108 megapixel sensor and the 10 times optical periscope zoom lens. But a great thing is that Samsung made its design quite unique, and the camera module is sort of like part of the frame, which makes it look elegant, but that still doesn't cover the fact that it is huge and it will still wobble on a flat surface. Number 3, processors perform identically. So last year Samsung was criticized about how their Exynos 990 version was slower and ran hotter than Snapdragon 865 version of their phones. But this year Samsung has finally fixed that, and both the international version with Exynos 2100 and US and Chinese versions with Snapdragon 888, they perform incredibly well, and the performances of both of them are very similar. As a matter of fact, this year Samsung manufactures both of them, so you no longer need to worry about that. Number 4, no microSD card support. So Samsung has finally killed the support for microSD card on all of its S21 devices. Samsung is actually amongst the last ones to kill the support for it. For some people it may not even matter that much, but for some it is a big deal, as it just comes with 128 gigs of base storage and it has 8K too, which takes a lot of storage. But you can go ahead and get the 256 gigs model for just $50 more, which I recommend too. Number 5, it has 5G globally. Unlike last year where Samsung launched 4G model in the regions where there is no 5G, this year the S21 models will have 5G globally regardless of whether that region has 5G or not. So keep that in mind. Number 6, S Pen does not have all features. Now Samsung may have introduced its S Pen functionality with S21 Ultra, but it still does not have those features like the Note series. It does not have Bluetooth. There are no air actions either, so it is essentially just a regular stylus, and to buy it you have to spend $40 more or $90 to get it along with a case. Number 7, there are 5 color options. So you may actually not notice, but the S21 Ultra comes in 5 different colors. You have the Phantom Black that Samsung spent literally 3 minutes just to describe it. You have the Phantom Silver, which is like Aura Glow from Note 10 but with a matte finish, and you have 3 more exclusive colors, which are Phantom Titanium, Phantom Brown and Phantom Navy, and all of these have a carbon fiber like camera module, which looks absolutely sick, and these exclusive colors cost the same price as the other colors, which is great. Number 8, it is the same as S20 Ultra. Now this may come as a surprise to you, but S21 Ultra almost has the same specs as S20 Ultra along with some exceptions, and you can call it as a more refined version of S20 Ultra because with S20 Ultra they just wanted to throw all the features at you without caring about whether they work properly or not, but this time they have fixed all those new features, so it is now more functional. Number 9. It is cheaper than S20 and Note 20 Ultra. With S20 Ultra, Samsung went ahead and made it ridiculously expensive by making it $1,400 at the base model. With Note 20 Ultra, Samsung reduced the price by $100 and made it $1,300, and this time Samsung made it even more cheaper by making it $1,200, which is incredible. And last but not least, at number 10 we have pricing. Some of you may need to know that S21 Ultra costs $1,200 for the model with 12 gigs of RAM and just 128 gigs of storage. It costs $1,250 for 256 gigs of storage and also 12 gigs of RAM, and $1,380 for the lunatic who want the absolute best. It has 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs of storage. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Please make sure you drop a like on this video, make sure you subscribe and turn those bell notifications, and I will catch you guys next time.